in response to what the Prime Minister said. Could you give us your take on that issue? What are your views on it?
Well, I want to say first and foremost, as a leader of government business, I've been speaking with my colleagues, and we throw full 100% behind the Honorable Prime Minister as it relates to the comments that she has made and the stance she has taken with respect to Venezuela. When we came in on a mandate of 26 seats strong in the House of Representatives. The TPP have 2 seats, meaning there are 28 seats that are not in support of the People's National Movement. For 10 years, the PNM pussyfooted around the president of Venezuela and the issues that surrounded Venezuela as it related to the hydrocarbon sector and the relationship that Trinidad and Tobago has with Venezuela, but also the relationship with one of our major trading partners, the US, has with Venezuela. And therefore, that is why I can say with certainty that all 26 members on the UNC bench, the 2 members with the TPP, we throw full support behind the Honorable Prime Minister in terms of the position she has taken. I think she has taken a very strong, bold and courageous position. She has indicated through her words and through her actions that she will not be bullied, she will not be silenced, and therefore she is exercising her right as a leader of a sovereign country to say to the president of Venezuela exactly what is Trinidad and Tobago's position as it relates to the issues that the president of Venezuela has raised, but also she has taken a very bold and courageous position, and this is not the first time. Mrs. Basabi-Sessa has been taking this position prior to the general election as it relates to what is our relationship with the United States. And therefore, I am very happy as leader of government business in the House of Representatives to say that we throw full support behind Mrs. Basabi-Sessa. I think this sends the right signals to our trading partners, the US being one of our major trading partners, but also to telling the president of Venezuela clearly what is Trinidad and Tobago's position as it relates to some of the issues that he has raised. As Mrs. Basabi-Sessa has indicated in the national community, she has spoken to the law enforcement agencies. She does not have information that supports the claims and the allegations that have been made by the Venezuelan president, and therefore in the absence of any cohesive information as it relates to those allegations and claims that the president has made, she is within her right as the Prime Minister of a sovereign country to say that she will stand behind Trinidad and Tobago, and she is prepared to protect the interest of Trinidad and Tobago, regardless of where that interest may lie, whether it's in the sphere of national security or economic security. Let us not forget, Trinidad and Tobago has major trading partners in the US, in the United Kingdom as well. So I'm seeing our opposition friends are saying, well, where will you get the support and so on? We are very mindful that Trinidad and Tobago is a sovereign nation. We have partners, and therefore we are not pussyfooting around the issue of the president 7 miles across the waters. We are defining exactly what our relationship and what our thoughts are. And we have no intention in engaging in any Congo lines. We're interested in the boardrooms in terms of advancing the interests of the hydrocarbon sector, but also the sovereignty of the people of Trinidad and Tobago. So I'm happy to say that the government is in full support of Mrs. Basabi-Sessa as Prime Minister and the position she has taken.